My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
Fellow Ambazonians, 1st October it become Independence Day. We want to use this opportunity for show now wait with their command so force it done the busy it do we then secure a huge chunk of our land. We would then drive La Republic to Cameroon completely out. This battle it then take place for almost 1 month. No before social media would control a big part of our border with our allies them on the other side of the Eastern Security Network of the Biafraland. Now for inside Indian and other places then we are not going for mention and for now. We then train the local forces then for day, our forces then day for day in full force ready for the takeover. Now very important and strategic mission way their command so a BD. No be a force way una go see them every time for social media, but definitely the enemy it see the actions them and for the place where they pinch them properly. We now secure a large areas where will be capable for even drive motor them around those areas them for defend them and for hold them. We're gonna be proud for wait away una own ingenuity as Ambazonian people them it don't be able to accomplish them on the ground. We hope for send this picture as part of our celebration of our capability and our independence. Now the emergent state this for Africa where they emerge, the British Southern Cameroon, Ambazonian. Now it is now na vanguard than this, now na picking than this up against all odds where they don't wake up for rise up, for emerge as a new nation for Africa. May God bless you now. Happy Independence Day. We go to show a celebration for all the captured areas we then liberate them. It be totally under our control physically. And the one the way it be in our dynamic control, I think so we'll be very much aware with them. Trainings that they go on, equipments that they enter, be ready for the takeover because we are ready. We're gonna take chop Christmas. When they start this revolution, some people then we believe say Ambazonia might be the fee born picking the way the fee carry gun. We then come up from then gun changshoes to a full-fledged army on the ground. It be capable for defend itself and to protect territory. God bless you now.
So we are able to have billboard in the dinner no one. The higher Polaga will be a no one. And I had to go with him in the bay. APC. I had to go with him in the bay. So I know you on your bone and will billboard in a no one. Yellow can the PDP. I able to can the garden and Bada primary school. Billboard in the dinner no one. I had this man to honey in this morning. So go on and where idea.
maybe $2 ebugo m dollar na ntụ n'ụbọchị taa. Dollar bụzi kobo n'ego Biafra. Naira dollar n'ego Biafra. Ọ bụ ego Biafra ka e ga-erite n'ala.
This is just part of what we just witnessed, Nana, because they just have to drop it. You can see that in this hotel, they dropped the Nigeria flag in Aba because of what is going on right now. So that will bring something to your mind that the people, they are tired of this situation. They are tired of this change that never came. They are tired of everything that they are not seeing. They are tired of all the promises. If our people can hold on to what they believe, and also our Ambazonia brothers, they are ready to show it live and direct that it's not the way they are saying it, that is the way it is. So there are still men. There are still people that can back up the race. There are still people that still understand that, yes, the maltreatment in the certain part of Nigeria is too much. So they just have to celebrate every moment that they have. They have to take action against anything actionable. Because the way the DSS is going, if they continue going this way, you see what has been going on. They are the ones that are responsible for all the atrocity that is going on. And now people are out for them. People are out for them. And do you know the funniest thing, that the Biafra that I know, the Eastern security that I so much hear of, I've not seen any I so much hear of. They are people of integrity. And they are people that they don't just come out just for coming out sake. You can't see Eastern Security Network on the street and you want to make video and say this. No. They are all unknown gunmen, ungun men. They are people that they don't see. They are people that they don't have name. For you to know that politics is moving on. Politicians are doing their work. They are doing their best. They are making sure that what they plan succeed. This is just what is playing out right now. Believe me, there is nothing that is playing out right now that has not been played out before, or that they have not known. But do you know the funniest thing, that before they even make all their attempts, IPOP authorities, they already know and they will voice it out. That is even what is giving them the fear to say, why is it that all these people, they are knowing our move? They are getting to discover our move. They discover everything that we are doing. That is common sense, is not common. What they cannot apply, other people apply it, and it work for them. So what is the big deal? All right, my wonderful family, you heard the latest right now that bring us to another wonderful day. If you know and you know that you haven't subscribed to this wonderful channel, a lot is coming to your table. Please do it to click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. For now, bye.